Cardano value equivalent to $0.3248 a coin. The present reach: $0.3116, $0.3268. The earlier day close: $0.3231. The change was plus 0.0017, plus 0.53%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to ADA. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost forecast for November 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.29. Greatest cost 47 cents, least cost 28 cents. The normal for the month 37 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 43 cents, change for November 48.3%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. At the outset cost at $0.43. Most extreme cost 54 cents, least cost 40 cents. The normal for the month 47 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 50 cents, change for December 16.3%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else cost at $0.50. Most extreme cost 62 cents, least cost 50 cents. The normal for the month 55 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 58 cents, change for January 16.0%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. In the first place cost at $0.58. Greatest cost 62 cents, least cost 54 cents. The normal for the month 58 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 58 cents, change for February 0.0%. Cardano cost expectation for WAC 2024. To start with cost at $0.58. Greatest cost 58 cents, least cost 46 cents. The normal for the month 53 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 49 cents, change for spring 15.5%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.49. Greatest cost 56 cents, least cost 48 cents. The normal for the month 51 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 52 cents, change for April 6.1%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2024. In the first place cost at $0.52. Greatest cost 52 cents, least cost 41 cents. The normal for the month 47 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 44 cents, change for May 15.4%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Before all else cost at $0.44. Most extreme cost 45 cents, least cost 39 cents. The normal for the month 43 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 42 cents, change for June 4.5%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at $0.42. Most extreme cost 45 cents, least cost 39 cents. The normal for the month 42 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 42 cents, change for July 0.0%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. Before all else cost at $0.42. Most extreme cost 51 cents, least cost 42 cents. The normal for the month 46 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 48 cents, change for August 14.3%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset cost at $0.48. Most extreme cost 48 cents, least cost 40 cents. The normal for the month 45 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 43 cents, change for September 10.4%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. Before all else cost at $0.43. Most extreme cost 54 cents, least cost 43 cents. The normal for the month 48 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 50 cents, change for October 16.3%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2024. In the first place cost at $0.50. Greatest cost 50 cents, least cost 39 cents. The normal for the month 45 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 42 cents, change for November 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2026. In the first place cost at $0.13. Greatest cost 13 cents, least cost 11 cents. The normal for the month 12 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 12 cents, change for January 7.7%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.12. Greatest cost 12 cents, least cost 9 cents. The normal for the month 11 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 10 cents, change for February 16.7%. Cardano cost expectation for WAC 2026. At the outset cost at $0.10. Most extreme cost 13 cents, least cost 10 cents. The normal for the month 11 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 12 cents, change for spring 20.0%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.12. Greatest cost 12 cents, least cost 10 cents. The normal for the month 11 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 11 cents, change for April 8.3%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.11. Greatest cost 11 cents, least cost 8 cents. The normal for the month 10 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 9 cents, change for May 18.2%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. In the first place cost at $0.09. Greatest cost 11 cents, least cost 9 cents. The normal for the month 10 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 10 cents, change for June 11.1%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2026. To start with cost at $0.10. Greatest cost 12 cents, least cost 10 cents. The normal for the month 11 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 11 cents, change for July 10.0%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for August 2026. Before all else cost at $0.11. Most extreme cost 11 cents, least cost 9 cents. The normal for the month 10 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 10 cents, change for August 9.1%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2026. Initially cost at $0.10. Most extreme cost 13 cents, least cost 10 cents. The normal for the month 11 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 12 cents, change for September 20.0%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for October 2026. In the first place cost at $0.12. Greatest cost 15 cents, least cost 12 cents. The normal for the month 13 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 14 cents, change for October 16.7%. Cardano cost